how to make a pop toy. As you use this piece from the side, you get tape, and that's in the sink, and one of these. You open it up, like just open it, and if you see a blue filling or any color filling, you take it out. You wash it with a parent's help, and then you tape it closed, and that's how you make it. It's pretty cool. And I can show you how to also make a cardboard version. So give me a second.